Let us see how we can multiply matrices in Microsoft Excel. We'll also see how we can add or subtract matrices in Microsoft Excel. So let's begin by creating a 2 by 2 matrix. So you can create any 2 by 2 matrix of your choice. So I've created the first one. I'm creating another one here. So this is 2 by 2. This is also 2 by 2. So AB should also be a 2 by 2 matrix. So I can select a 2 by 2 region. You have to select a 2 by 2 region and type equal to on the keyboard and type mmult. Mmult is the inbuilt function in Excel that will help you to multiply the matrices. So you select the first array, then you bring the comma, select the second array, and close the parentheses. Then hold down the Control plus Shift key on the keyboard and press Enter. So the multiplication is done for you. Again, you can also multiply other dimensions. Let's say we have 2 by 3 matrix here. So B is 2 by 3 and this is 3 by 3. Let's say we have 2 here, 1 here, 2 here, and we have -1 here, and we have 3 here. So matrices BA multiplication is possible because you have 2 by 3 and 3 by 3. So the result will be a 2 by 3 matrix. So you have to select a 2 by 3 region. Type equal to, then type mmult, select it, and select your first array, which must be B. Then, comma, select your second array, which is A. Then close it. Then hold down the Control plus Shift key and press equal to. So we see the result here nicely for us. Now, if you want to subtract A and B, it must all be the same 3 by 3 matrix. In this case, 3 by 3. So, or the same 2 by 3 matrix. So I'll select a 3 by 3 region here. Then type equal to, bring parentheses, select matrix A, then close the parentheses, subtract the next one. So I didn't bring the parentheses. Let me bring this first. Then select this next one, close the parentheses, hold down the Control and the Shift key, press equal to. You can also do the addition. If you type minus here instead of, if you type addition here instead of minus, then you hold the Control and Shift key and press Enter. So in this case, it becomes addition. Now, you could also create maybe any matrix, perhaps the identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 0 here, you have 1, you have 0, then we have 0, 0, then we have 1 here. So you can add AC or you can find CA, which will also be 3 by 3 region. So follow the same procedure, type equal to mmult. Then you select the first, which is this array here, then comma, select the second, which is this array here, then close it, hold down the Control and Shift key, press equal to. So you see that it doesn't change anything because it's an identity matrix. Identity matrix for the 3 by 3 matrix. So that is how you multiply matrices, add matrices, or subtract matrices in Microsoft Excel. You look at more calculations on matrices in the next video.